Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Paul Jeffries and today we're going to be fitting the crankshaft to this block for Dave Jag 66. I'll be right back in a minute. Right, I've fitted two of the bearings to the block already. I'm going to do the last one in a second. These are the bearings that I'm using, the ACL bearings, very high quality bearings. I'll just get the last bearing for the block at the back. Just press it in. There you go. Make sure there's 3 holes in the bearings. Make sure they line up with the holes in the block, otherwise you'll have all pressure problems. Right, I use Miller's engine building lubricant, which I'll show you now, which is that. Just get a little brush. It's quite thick, this stuff. Just brush it onto the bearing face. Don't need loads, just a nice coating. It's better to use this stuff than using engine oil, because if the engine's going to be sat around for a bit before it's actually being used, this stuff stays where you put it, whereas normal engine oil tends to run off. I'm just going to grab the crank now. Right, here we go. This is the crank that's being used in this particular block. It's SH Engineering miglia spec crank. Just lower that in gently. Give it a twizzle. And next I'm going to prepare the caps. I'll be back in 2 secs. Right, next the centre cap. Get your thrust washers. I've put one in, the one I'm just putting in now. Just slide it in. Make sure the copper side of the thrust washer goes towards the crankshaft. These are quite tight, even though they're standard size thrusts. It is a brand new crank, but it will soon sort itself out. It's not tight. There you go. Right, I fitted the bearing to the centre main. This centre main's been modified for a centre main strap. As you can see, it's been machined dead flat for the strap. Make sure you get the cutout in the bearing matches the cutout on the bearing that's in the block already. I've already put lubricant on this, so give that a tap. Right, now you get your centre main strap. This is an MED centre main strap. Pop that on there. Now these centre main straps from MED come with their own ARP bolts. I've pre-lubricated the threads on here to get the torque, so to get the torque right. Just do them finger tight, same as the other one. Give it a twizzle round. It's fine. Okay, last cap. End cap. Press the bearing into it. Give it a bit of a clean off. A bit of lubricant on here. You don't need loads of this stuff, but it just helps. Put on there, give it a bit of a tap. Two bolts. Just do these up finger tight. Okay, right, in the next bit I'll be doing the torquing sequence. Right, now for the next part is to torque up the bolts. 65 pounds-foot. Do them equally, side to side, till you just feel them just tighten up. I'm sure that still turns okay. Right, now one sweep up to 65 pound-foot. 1, 2. Alright, same again. The centre one. Obviously you need a different socket for this because they're smaller. Let's move this back a bit. Just a bit out, that's better. Just do them till you start to feel them get tight, equal pressure. And 65 again. Go. Now for the last one, change the socket over. Just do them so that you just feel it just to start biting. Then one swing to 65. Go. One crank torqued up, spins round nice. It will be a little, well not tight, but you can just feel the friction obviously because there's loads of lubricant on it as well. But that's lovely, that is. The next thing I'll be showing you is the crank end float. I'll just set up the gauges and I'll be right back. Okay, right, I've got the dial gauge set up on the end of the crankshaft here. Zeroed it, and just get a little screwdriver, just put in the web of the crank there between the crank and the centre cap, and just gently push it out just over 2 thou. Just over 2 thou that side as well. That's perfect. It's exactly what you want. No more than 3 or maximum 4 thou. Any more than that, you need to start thinking about putting oversized thrust washers on the crank. Right guys, hope you enjoyed that video. The crank's now installed. The end float has been checked. As you can see, it turns freely, nice and smooth. No tight spots. Absolutely beautiful. Hope you enjoyed the video. The next one will be installing the cam followers and the camshaft. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.